Hi, and welcome to the Global IP Estimator created by Quantify IP. In this demo, I will be guiding you through a brief overview of the patent portion of the Global IP Estimator. The Global IP Estimator is an easy-to-use desktop software program that generates immediate, worldwide, future cost estimates for intellectual property applications. On the initial screen, the first three radio buttons are used to run patent cost estimates. The first option runs an estimate for an application filed directly for a national patent, including PCT and EPO routes. The second option runs an estimate for filing PCT national phase applications. The third option runs an estimate for the validation phase of a granted European patent. The last option is used to access a saved scenario. For this demo video, we will create an estimate for the following scenario, which will include an initial patent application to the PCT and Taiwan, then the national phase to the EPO, Brazil, China, and Japan, then the EPO validation phase for Switzerland, Germany, France, Italy, and Netherlands. Start by choosing the Patent Radio button and clicking Proceed. On the Specify Destination of Application screen, click the PCT Application checkbox. Add Taiwan from the country list. A list of PCT offices appears on the screen that allows you to change the offices used. Click the Add PCT National checkbox for the second stage of our scenario. You can also exclude stages or categories of fees and adjust the timeline date and years for calculation and report purposes. Click the Proceed button to take you to the Country Selection PCT National Phase screen. For this scenario, select the EPO application checkbox first, then select Brazil, China, and Japan from the list of countries. Click the Add EPO Validation checkbox on the same screen. Click Proceed to take you to the Country Selection EPO Validation Phase screen, where countries for EPO validation can be selected. Select Switzerland, Germany, France, Italy, and Netherlands from the list of EPO validation countries. After clicking Proceed, the application information screen will appear. This is where you will enter the details about the application. Based on the chosen destinations, the software determines which application criteria require specific data. You can enter a note to display at the top of the estimate reports. Here, you enter the application information values for the estimate. Numeric values are on the left, and defaulted yes/no values are on the right. You may also specify country-specific application information by clicking the appropriate checkbox and choosing a country. The Save Scenario button saves this scenario with the criteria specified up to this point in order to simplify the generation of similar estimates in the future. Press Proceed to generate the cost estimate reports. You can view, save, print, and/or email 4 different reports: the detail report, the timeline report, the summary report, and the condensed report. Let's start with the detail report. Each page of the detail report shows country fees in detail with costs separated by stage and by category. Official fees, associate charges, translation costs, miscellaneous, and in-house charges are all shown in detail here. Official fees are obtained from the country's official agencies. Associate charges and translation costs are from IP law firms located in that particular country. Both can be customized by the user. Miscellaneous and in-house charges can also be customized by the user. Details for the examination, the prosecution, and the granting stages are shown here. One of the yes/no values on the previous application information screen allows you to specify whether the EPO designation fees are included in the filing stage, the default, or the examination stage. Lastly, each page of the detail report also includes the annuity costs over 20 years and the specific application details used in the estimate. Next, the timeline report allocates costs to specific years and creates a timeline projection of costs for both patents and trademarks. It breaks out the costs by stage, by category, by totals and running totals over a 20-year period. You can also view the summary report, which presents the cost estimates for each country with totals by stage and category. Shown under the fees for each country, both the detail and summary reports also list the exchange rates used in the calculations. The condensed report shows the application details at the top and compiles the total cost amount for each country. Using the Email Save Report button, the detail report, the condensed report, and the summary report can be emailed directly or saved to a file. The Return to the Beginning button takes you back to the initial screen. Next, I will move on to the options on the main menu bar at the top of the initial screen. The Edit drop-down menu access the options that can be customized by the user to modify data used in the estimates. The Reports drop-down menu allows you to view and/or print certain sections of the data used in generating estimates. The Licensing drop-down menu is used to register your license, view and print license information and the end-user license agreement, as well as to activate additional licensing options. The Help drop-down menu allows you to review help information by content, index, or to search. Check for updates, searches for the latest version of the software. At any point in time while running the software, the Help button on the bottom left side of each screen opens a relevant help section for further clarification. Thank you for taking the time to view this demo on generating a Global IP patent estimate. For more on working with the Global IP Estimator, please see our other demos. For more information and/or to access a free limited trial, visit us online at www.quantifyip.com or call us at 808-891-0099.